Hey, good to have you here. Welcome back to the channel. A quick update of what you can expect from this channel in the next coming days and weeks. One of them is a video where my producers went crazy and set me out on the mission to find out if I can really find a cheap and pre-owned mirrorless camera with a cheap lens and a very cheap flash. The whole idea was to see whether I can really get a good deal buying used equipment online and see how crazy things get when we go out and get ourselves a camera pre-owned. Did we get scammed? Do the gears work? Are the photos good enough? Could I take nice pictures? Stay tuned. You don't want to miss this episode because there's so much to learn in this episode. Zhiyun sent us this Molus X60 COP LED light. Now this is a pretty interesting light. It's so small, it looks like alien technology and packs a punch when it comes to light. Zhiyun sent us one of their flagship LED light, the Molus B500 COB light. And I already find this quite interesting, something I must really review because it has tons of features with all these buttons here. And the most interesting part, it doesn't have a power brick. Is the Molus B500 a good light, worthy of your investment? And then we have this, the Ceremonic 4-in-1 wireless microphone, the Blink 500 B2 Plus. This microphone did not come through the mail. It came through the country manager herself, Wanda, turning up at the studio and did a special episode that will teach you how you can do call to action video effectively. There's so much to learn from it. And here's the thing, for the past few years, I've been teaching retail investors and traders how to use automated robots to perform their investments on the Nasdaq SP 500 and all the popular and money-making American stock. And I teach this class live and also online. And what really killed me about these classes is not how difficult to learn that skill. Every time I've got to present with my notebook, a tablet and a smartphone and broadcast these multi-cameras and devices online, I get cut off so frequently. So, a multi-HDMI broadcast switcher. Will it solve my problems that I face in my class? Will I get cut-offs when I switch from my notebook to my phone? Will my students from overseas get a better online experience when they join my free class? The sprawling R2 Plus review. So stay tuned, subscribe and hit the bell button when all this video hits. You won't miss them. And it doesn't... It just shone through my eyes and to my brain. So this little joystick, you must be wondering what it does. Just the power cord goes in and the fan here cools down the power supply. So 1, 2, and 3. Look at the COP element. It's just made up of so many different colors. Oh, it's built around a fan.